Without going outside, you can understand the world. Without looking through a window, you can experience the way of the heavens. Many travel far, and yet know very little. Thus a wise one can know without going about, can perceive without seeking endlessly, and can achieve without great effort. Pursuing an education requires adding information to the mind, often by rote or imitation. Practicing the way is done by subtracting fixed ideas or hardened learned formulas from the mind. In doing so, one's consciousness can remain open to new possibilities. By subtracting fixed ways of doing things, one tends to do less and less until non-action is achieved, and one notices how life is doing itself. When nothing is done, nothing is left undone. Evolved ones allow things to take their own natural course.